wharau, ka hoa ke kirungara, te pīpīwharauroa, ngā whena koe wahoe, tuatahi e wahoe.
I am the mukapuna of Mātini Pōhatu and Wharenaya Swan. I always say that I was fortunate to be raised by both Mātini and Wharenaya. I think it's always a blessing to be able to have your nannies around you who influence the way that you are and the way that you think. Their influence in my life shows now as an adult the benefits of having a home that was rich in kai, rich in love, but we were Pōhatu. Not that I ever knew that. Nothing ever went to waste. Everything, if it couldn't have been cooked, it was preserved or stored away. And there was an abundance. We've forgotten to use those skills that we once had or once practiced. So working in the Taiao, being out there and seeing nature, being with nature, makes me realise actually as a human in the time frame that we're here, that our time frame is small. So what we do here is important. The marks that we leave or the paths that we lay while we're here for the time that we're here or for the next generation is really important, and that making sure that there's some value in the marks that you leave behind. I believe the knowledge that I've gained over these years doesn't belong to me. It was something that I've learnt along the way, but it's there to be shared. So I think I have one of the most fortunate jobs that anybody can have. Today I had Gisborne Intermedia. So today I talked with the kids and explained to the kids that every tree has a whakapapa. Everything that's living or non-living has a whakapapa. It has an energy just like we do. And it's remembering those things. It's not just the tree, you know, it has a function. It creates so many different things on so many different levels. You know, as a kai source for the manu, as a kai source for the insects, as a kai source for our nākau. When we go out there and we see it in flower and you see, like I think about the rata vine, and it's got this dainty little pūtikawa flower, but it's white, but on a miniature scale, you know, that just, I don't know, it excites me. We've got so in tune with all other things in this modern world that we've forgotten those basic relationship that we have with the whenua. You know, we came from Papa and we will return to you. So for me, it's about those interwoven relationships that we have and that we've always had.